In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Shogun page from Shopify in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to clean up your store, switch up your design, or simply no longer need that particular page, following these steps will help you get it done quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Go ahead and search for Shopify. Once you've found the Shopify website, click on it to open the home page. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Be sure to have those on hand so you can access your account seamlessly. Once you're in your Shopify admin dashboard, the next thing you'll want to do is navigate over to the Shogun app. You'll find it in your dashboard menu. This is your starting point for managing any pages you've created with Shogun. Now, you're ready to locate the specific page you want to remove. Once you've accessed the Shogun dashboard, you'll see a list of all the pages you've created. Scroll through and find the page you're eager to get rid of. Be certain you're selecting the right one. It's always good to double-check since this process will alter that page's content. After confirming the page, look for the three-dot menu located next to its listing. Click on this menu, and you'll see an option that reads Reverse Import. By selecting Reverse Import, you'll initiate the process of removing Shogun content from the page. What this does is revert the page back to its original content from your theme's template. This step is crucial to ensure your Shopify store is restored to its intended design without the Shogun modifications. Now, let's head back to your Shopify admin. At the bottom left, click on Settings, and from there, choose the option titled Apps and Sales Channels. This section houses all the apps integrated into your store. Here, you'll locate the Shogun app from your list of applications. As you find it, you'll notice another three-dot icon next to the Shogun app's name. Click this icon, and among the options, you'll see Uninstall. Select it to begin the uninstallation process. As you select Uninstall, prompts will appear to guide you through confirming this action. These prompts ensure that you're ready to remove the app and understand the changes that come with it. Follow these prompts, confirming at each step until the process is complete. And there you have it. With those simple steps, you've successfully removed a Shogun page from Shopify and uninstalled the Shogun app from your store. You've taken back control of your Shopify site's design and functionality, returning it to its theme's original settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more Shopify tips.